welcome to Trisha's Ratchet Salon, girl. And the customer is Cupcake. Okay, girl, we really need to fix this pink and brown. Here we go. That's better. Woo! Now, Cupcake, you are done in my Ratchet Salon. And the next customer is beanka. Okay, I don't like this head. It's turned into dreadlocks, girl. Let me change that. Done, girl. Beanka, you look good. Now, fabulous. And the next customer is Rihanna. Now, girl, I don't know if I like this white and black, but let me change that. Fabulous, girl. Fabulous. And the winner is Cupcake. Woo!